Hey guys, what's up? Actually, this is the second video I'm publishing today. I deleted the first one because it was a video where I lost $56. And then while I was filming, I traded again and got it down to $51. And then I was like, okay, and then I came back and saw a different setup when I was editing and I traded again and I got down to $44. And then something remarkable happened. I published the video. I went back because I was just closing down the screens on my computer and saw a really nice setup. I'm going to take you to it right now. I'm just going to jump right to it. This candle happened. An amazingly crazy candle. Well, let's just look at this because I made a few videos, but I need to catch you up on the day. So let's just jump into the review of the day, and then we'll see where this all goes. Okay, so basically, on the day, I was trading this downward sell-off that was taking place right at the open, and I just was not getting. Number one, I wasn't getting good fills. Number two, I wasn't entering good, and I was getting stopped out for losses. So I took about a $50 loss right here, $50 loss back in here, and $50 loss again. And so I was down about $150 or something like that. Now I made that back on a trade right here, where I traded from this low up to here. We look at a 1 minute chart. I'm kind of excited because of that last trade put me back into a green day today, up $6, so that's awesome. So anyway, I had I traded this right here, and the reason that the thing that was different about this trade, so I had a few losing trades, like I said, but this trade, I traded when my entry was when the price got down to the VWAP, the lower extremity of the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. And that's when I entered, instead of waiting for a confirmation signal. Because you see, when I did that over like up here somewhere, well, right here is a good example of it. When I waited for a confirmation of a reversal, I didn't have much room to run. There just wasn't much room to run, so it petered out, and then boom, I got stopped for a loss. And so that happened a few times on the way down, and I had losses that accumulated there. But with this one here, I waited for the very bottom of where the price touched the lower extremity of the VWAP, and I happened to get a runner, and so it ran back up I exited the trade right about here. Okay, so that was a big gain, and that was excellent. Now we broke through this downward trend line, and it just didn't break through with a lot of momentum, so I thought, okay, well, once this peters out, I'll trade this reversal. And I did. I traded the reversal here to here, and then came back down, and then it came back up to touch the exponential moving average again. It petered out, and then I traded that reversal down as well. So those were the trades that made me back some money, but I was still down on the day. And so that's when I started filming the last video. Now since then, we came down and we touched we broke through this long-term support level. We took a while to break through this 297 level this month, but now we finally broke through it. We came back down, and then we broke through it. And what happened here was I drew this trend line as we were battling back above that level, and then back to this level here. So this was my first trade of the day my first winning trade of the day was at this level. And so I knew that this is going to break one way or the other. It's going to break up or break down. I put an order just about here at about 299, and I was waiting, and I'm glad I did, because what happened was this 1 minute candle, look at that spread. It went from 299.1 all the way down to 297.5, and that all happened in a matter of seconds. Just boom, started screaming down. And because I had my order ready to go, I got into that. I was short that position, so I got into that short, and I couldn't get out. Again, think or swim. Like I wasn't able to exit the trade as I wanted to. So at one point I was up like 100. I think it was $100 and some. And I was just like, set a stop, set something in there so that it doesn't, so that I make some profit on this huge move out of the blue. I mean, this had more, like, here's the 1 minute volume of the first candle of the day, and here's, it's over that by not double, but maybe a third. So a huge amount of volume, and there we go. So that brought me back to $6.33 on the day. So I am up. This is my 12th green day, and man, this was trading. It's 10:46. This happened just after. That's just after 10:30. So we'll call that 2 hours and 8 minutes of trading today. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Have a wonderful day. Have a productive day today. And yeah, none of this is financial advice, but have a good day. That was exciting. Talk to you later.